Ever wondered what happens when a top predator from Southeast Asia invades one of America's most unique ecosystems? Let's talk about the Burmese python in Florida. This isn't just a nature documentary curiosity. It's a full-blown ecological crisis happening right now in the Everglades. These massive snakes have established a huge breeding population across South Florida. Think about this. Since the year 2000, more than 23,000 pythons have been removed, but their numbers are still booming. Why? Because they have absolutely no natural predators here, and a single female can lay up to 100 eggs at a time. They're basically unstoppable. Their impact on native wildlife is devastating. Studies in Everglades National Park show severe declines in mammal populations. We're talking raccoons, opossums, rabbits, and even bobcats and deer disappearing at an alarming rate. These pythons are opportunistic eaters with incredibly flexible jaws, allowing them to swallow prey whole, sometimes even prey larger than themselves. They'll eat mammals, birds, reptiles including alligators, and unfortunately, even pets. These snakes aren't small either. While they typically average between 10 to 16 feet, some can grow to truly monstrous sizes. The record holder, found in 2022, was nearly 19 feet long and weighed a staggering 215 pounds. Imagine encountering that in the wild. So what's being done? Florida is fighting back hard. The Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, or FWC, encouraged public involvement in hunting them. In fact, you can hunt pythons year-round on many public lands without a permit. Beyond public hunts like the famous Florida Python Challenge, there are professional removal agents and innovative research programs. Scientists are using technology like radio-tagged scout snakes to locate and remove breeding females, and even specially trained detector dogs to sniff them out. These efforts are a coordinated battle led by agencies like the FWC, the South Florida Water Management District, and the National Park Service. Their goal is simple: remove as many pythons as possible to give the native Everglades wildlife a fighting chance. It's a constant struggle to protect one of the world's most precious wetlands from one of its most successful invaders. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more content about our wild world. See you next time.